Who has taken a music class in school? Ever? Ever? Okay. In that music class, did you learn the do, re, mi? Okay, let's say it, or let's sing it. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Very good. So you learned the language of music when you were young, right? Now, how many have taken a class on money in school?
No.
I didn't, my children didn't, and most people that I speak to have not taken any class. But think about this for a second. We've learned the language of music with the do, re, mi, but we've not learned the language of money. Let's sing it. Means different things to different people. I have some of my clients say being rich means having lots of money. That's fine. That's what they think is being rich. Other people, physical health. Most important. If you have physical health, we're rich. Okay? Other people, maybe spiritual health. Right? When we have purpose, when we have meaning in life, really important. And that's really our values. That's that first word. Your days won't be sunny if you run out of money. Does your plan get you what you think? Put some in CDs, put some in bonds, the rest in equities and mutual funds. Thank you. We're living longer every morning. You're going to speak to your financial advisor as follows. You're going to say, Mr. or Mrs. Financial Advisor, before you give me a recommendation, I want you to be really clear on what's important to me. And now you're thinking in the background, these are my values I'm going to talk about. And he or she should stop talking for a moment, I hope so, and really listens to you. Or else you're getting somebody else's recommendations, you're getting cookie cutter recommendations.
In round one, I'm going to help you organize your financial life by using values-based discovery questions. This will help you communicate your personal values. Then you will prioritize all aspects of your financial life: values, cash, return, tax, risk, time, and giving. In round two, I'm going to help you understand which parts of your financial life is working with your values or not. And in round three, you decide by knowing which options I can offer you will improve your financial life to restore balance. Are you ready to play?
Well, with the ongoing uncertainty in the financial markets, many individual investors have given up and they're just keeping much of their savings in cash. Well, our next guest today says there are ways to invest more safely. Jaimie Blackman joins us now to tell us more about his MoneyCapsules approach. Now, he is the founder of MoneyCapsules.com, and it's good to have you on the program.
Thank you. Good to be back.
Hi, this is Jaimie. If you've ever felt tongue-tied when speaking to your financial advisor, you'll enjoy our Values Map Organizer. Get it complimentary when you schedule a call.